Every medical breakthrough that has ever improved human life, from the discovery of insulin to cutting-edge cancer immunotherapies, began with a single powerful moment when a patient said yes to participating in a clinical trial. Welcome to Clinical Trial 101, brought to you by Pharma Trial Connect. I'm thrilled you've chosen to invest your time in understanding one of the most important processes in modern medicine. At Pharma Trial Connect, we believe that the right patient should find the right trial at the right time. Our mission is dual and complementary. We advocate tirelessly for patients to discover the clinical trial opportunities that could change their lives while simultaneously helping sponsors and research teams connect with the ideal participants who will make their studies successful. But here's what we've learned. Knowledge is the foundation of every successful connection. The more you understand about clinical trials, whether you're a patient, a family member, a healthcare provider, or a research professional, the better equipped you are to navigate this complex but rewarding landscape. Clinical trials are responsible for extending human life expectancy by decades. They've transformed diseases that were once death sentences into manageable conditions. They've given hope to millions of families facing rare diseases. And they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. Yet, despite their critical importance, clinical trials remain misunderstood by many. Myths and misconceptions can prevent patients from accessing potentially life-saving treatments. Lack of knowledge can lead to delayed enrollment, incomplete studies, and missed opportunities for medical breakthroughs. On the other side, research sponsors invest billions of dollars in developing new treatments, but many studies face enrollment challenges. When the right patients can't find the right trials, everyone loses. Patients miss opportunities for cutting-edge care, and promising treatments may never reach the broader population. This course exists to bridge that knowledge gap and create a foundation for better connections, informed decisions, and ultimately, better health outcomes for everyone. Over the next 5 comprehensive modules, we'll build your understanding from the ground up. Module 1 covers, what are clinical trials? We start with the fundamentals. You'll learn what clinical trials are, why they exist, and how they've revolutionized medicine. We'll explore the ethical framework that protects participants and the collaborative effort between patients, researchers, and sponsors that makes medical progress possible. Module 2 covers understanding informed consent. Knowledge is power, and informed consent is your most fundamental right as a healthcare consumer. You'll learn how to recognize truly informed consent, what questions to ask, and how this process protects you in any healthcare setting. Module 3, Trial Phases Explained. We'll demystify the systematic progression from Phase 1 through Phase 4, understanding what happens in each phase, who participates, and how this careful process ensures that only safe, effective treatments reach patients. What to expect? During a trial visit, practical preparation meets real-world experience. You'll get a complete walkthrough of trial participation, from your first visit to ongoing care, removing anxiety through understanding. Module 5, Patient Advocacy and Finding Support. You'll discover the extensive network of organizations dedicated to supporting patients and families through clinical trial participation and serious health conditions. No one should navigate healthcare alone. This course is designed for everyone who touches the clinical trial ecosystem. For patients and families, you'll gain the knowledge needed to make informed decisions about clinical trial participation, understand your rights and protections, and connect with the support resources that can guide your journey. For healthcare providers, you'll develop the foundation knowledge needed to educate your patients about clinical trial opportunities and make appropriate referrals to research teams. For research professionals, whether you're new to clinical research or looking to strengthen your patient education skills, this course provides the comprehensive foundation that enhances your ability to serve participants effectively. For industry professionals, Understanding the patient perspective and the complete clinical trial process helps you develop better studies, create more patient-friendly protocols, and ultimately bring better treatments to market more efficiently. At Pharma Trial Connect, we see ourselves as more than a matching service. We're advocates for the entire clinical trial ecosystem. For patients, we're committed to helping you find not just any clinical trial, but the right clinical trial for your specific situation, condition, and personal circumstances. We believe every patient deserves access to the most advanced treatments available, and we work tirelessly to make those connections possible. For sponsors and research teams, we're dedicated to helping you connect with participants who are genuinely interested, well-informed, and committed to contributing to medical research. We know that successful trials require engaged participants who understand the process and are excited about contributing to medical progress. But our commitment goes beyond making connections. We believe in empowering every member of our community with knowledge, supporting every participant with resources, and advocating for a clinical trial system that works better for everyone. This course represents the beginning of your clinical trial education journey. Whether you complete it to better understand a healthcare decision you're facing, to improve your professional practice, or simply to satisfy your curiosity about medical research, you're investing in knowledge that could impact your life and the lives of others. Remember, learning about clinical trials isn't just an individual endeavor. It's a community effort. As you progress through this course, you'll join a community of patients, families, healthcare providers, and research professionals, all working toward the same goal: better treatments, better outcomes, and hope for the future. Every question you ask, every concept you master, and every connection you make contributes to a healthcare system that works better for everyone. Your participation in this educational journey is itself a form of advocacy for yourself, for your loved ones, and for the countless patients who will benefit from the medical advances that clinical trials make possible. The next 5 modules will give you comprehensive knowledge about clinical trials, but more than that, they'll give you confidence. Confidence to ask the right questions, make informed decisions, and participate fully in your healthcare journey. At Pharma Trial Connect, we're honored to be your guide on this educational journey. We're here to support you through every module, answer your questions, and help you apply what you learn to real-world situations. Are you ready to begin? Your Clinical Trial 101 journey starts now. Let's build the foundation that will serve you, your loved ones, and the broader medical community for years to come. Welcome to Clinical Trial 101. Let's begin this important journey together.